Hi guys, this is a 240 volt Filmosound made by Krinard, or modified I should say. And it's a beautiful amp, beautiful chimey amplifier, and it seems to work rather well with my Diamond Dynasonic equipped Telecaster. These are actually originals from a Gretsch or a Guild. Thank you very much to Tim Pells, who's a great guitarist in his own right. For this bridge pickup, I managed to find this one, put them together, and this guitar sounds fantastic. But we're here today to try out this Filmosound, so let's just go through some sounds. Let's try on the neck first. We've got a bit of a delay happening here as well, but it's nice to just let that tone breathe. So that's kind of the sound. It's got a really nice sort of soloing. Change it to setting more of a slapback sort of bluesy sound. Okay, we can do the Cuban thing. Which this amp is actually really good for. So yeah, it's got a really cool set of tones here. It's quite actually, this particular one is quite similar to the 3856 V6, although you have got the character of the EL84, but it's not too dissimilar, you know. So you got that kind of classic thump of, of that kind of Raikkonen. You know what Raikkonen uses it really for is that kind of his low powered sort of tweed setup that he's got at the moment, which is the tone that I really love, and so something probably more akin to that kind of real, when you're really digging in and putting in a lot of signal into the amp, just it kind of compresses and just gives you this really nice sort of vintage valve sound back, and this is what I love about these amps, But you've got a great soloing voice as well. Go to the middle. Millennial bend. So that's it. That's the sound of the Filmosound. It's a really, I kind of love this. You've got this great amps are just the best, absolutely the best, because they get this real chimey sort of high end, but it's never sort of that gacky sort of brass sound. It's just this kind of really nice. It's got that kind of upper harmonics, but they're really soft, you know. Which is especially, you know, useful when you're playing slide guitar, because when you first hit a note on a slide guitar, a lot of times, you know, I kind of tend to, you kind of want to round off that attack. That's why you use a compressor. But this amp does all that for you, you know. So there you go. That's the sound of the Filmosound amp.